my first stop, York, Nebraska.
I think this is the place.
Welcome.
Andrew?
How's it going? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Jack. My name's Andrew, and I'm selling a missile silo.
I'm in the right place.
You are in the right place.
Is this your primary residence?
This is not. No, this is my hidden man cave.
Perfect.
When I saw the listing, I knew I needed to see it because it was so close to my house at the time. I didn't realize that the United States had missile silos throughout the U.S. and that you could actually go buy them. And after I saw it, I knew I had to have it. Bought it back in September, and it was kind of livable, but not really.
Yeah.
And so we spent 2 months, January and February, completely overhauling it. I bought this missile silo because I figured this was the coolest thing that I could possibly do, and me and my friends had a blast renovating it.
It's just all down below.
It's all underground, covered in concrete, and if for some reason a bomb goes off, you'll be safe.
There's not like contamination or nothing.
There's
right?
not. We've had everything tested.
Okay.
We'll be safe.
Okay, good. All right, can we start?
Yeah, we can start.
Perfect. After you, sir. Oh.
What do you think? Isn't it awesome? So as you'll notice, the temperature will increasingly drop as you get lower and lower. You actually don't need heat or air conditioning in this unit. So year-round, it stays 60 degrees.
What is this?
So this is blast door number 1. As you can see, it's marked. So there's 5 of these throughout the facility, and they're designed to shut in case there's a nuclear blast up on Earth. The blast will not come down into here.
To make that missile explode.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to compromise the missile.
This doesn't stress you out at all?
No, makes me feel actually really safe. And the walls are actually 9-foot thick concrete, so
No.
you're safe. Not much can hurt you down here.
No one will hear you scream.
That's a fact, actually, yeah.
As I'm learning more and more about this space, I realize, oh, this was important. I'm glad these are here. Give me all the blast doors. Make all doors blast doors.
You're safe in here.
This is wild. All right, all right.
This is the living quarters. Fully renovated, fully livable.
Wow.
Over here, we've got a full kitchen, refrigerator, cooktop, microwave.
And there's a bathroom?
Yeah.
This is wild. I mean, look, this is really big.
After renovating it, my friends and I spent a ton of time here. We wanted to lay it out kind of like a studio apartment with a theater screen here, watch all the zombie apocalypse movies, knowing we're safe.
Well, this is where I'd like to be.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Also, the zombies, they ain't getting much up here.
Yeah, I don't think they could figure out how to get down here. Right.
It's very comfortable all around.
It's homey.
Do you entertain?
We've had some people over.
Yeah?
We'll play, football games. We've got internet. We can do any of that stuff.
Okay, so you have actually slept here.
Surprisingly, you get the best sleep because there's no noise, there's no windows, you don't know what time of day it is.
Gosh.
It's great for sleeping.
Andrew has truly created a comfortable and welcoming space in a missile silo. This is for sale.
It is for sale.
It's amazing.
Once we got finished with the renovations, it was awesome to come here, but we just built a house, my wife and I, like a couple hours away.
Yeah.
And so it was a far trek to get down here.
Yeah.
And we think we could pass it on to the next guy who wants to have the ultimate man cave.
Well, and missiles aren't safe for babies.
Exactly.
I do know that
yeah,
much.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so where would the missile live?
So the missile was in the actual silo itself.
So off to the side.
Off to the side.
Okay.
So this is how you get to the actual missile silo.
Oh.
Like I said, unfortunately, there's no missile, but watch your head.
Whoa.
This is the tunnel that takes you there. It's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Right this way.
I'm not gonna lie, an old abandoned missile silo.
Watch your head.
It was the last thing I would expect to see inside someone's home. Oh my gosh.
So this is where the missile was actually held.
That's the ground.
Yes, those
Okay.
blast doors are at ground level, and those would open, and then the rocket would come up on some type of elevator system, go to the top, and blast off. As you can see, it's filled with water.
What is going on?
It's just the groundwater. So I'm guessing when they built it, it was sealed / had some big pumps in there to get the water out. And over the years, the concrete's cracked and the water seeps in. It's my guess.
Okay, did I have that float in there?
I added the boat. I went paddling down there. We've magnet fished it. It's really cold.
The echo here is wild.
Yes.
Do you just get down here and just vent?
Sometimes you gotta let it out.
Hit me?
You want me to go?
Do it, go. All right, I'm gonna do the human air horn.
Okay.
I used to drive my mom and sister crazy.
You can see how your mom and sister would get a little annoyed. Not at all, no.
I mean, people don't learn human air horn. They're born with human air horn. This is nuts. I can feel my tan fading.
Yes.
I need to make a graceful exit.
Okay, all right.
Thank you. Please, may I?
Yes.
Great. Andrew, I cannot thank you enough. This has been so fun.
Yeah,
and
glad you enjoyed it.
enlightening. I know, it's very special.
I'm definitely glad I bought this place. It's kind of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It's one of those deals where you'll look back and think, remember that one time you owned a missile silo? And there's probably not many people that can say that.
Best of luck with the sale. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, have a good one.
Do you think Missile Silo has what it takes to be crowned the wildest?